Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the battery so you don't short anything. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 5 screws with a T8 Torx security driver. 1 screw hides under the label, peel it gently. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray. Then, pry the shell open at the seam using a spudger, working slowly to avoid snapping plastic. This exposes the bumper assembly and the pivot mechanism for the left bumper. Once the shell is open, lift the faceplate and locate the left bumper bar and its spring or pivot pin. Next, inspect the ribbon cable and its orientation so you can reconnect it later. This matters because pins are delicate. Then, depress the small clip or push out the pivot pin that holds the bumper bar. Use a pick or tweezers. Make sure to support the PCB so you don't flex it while removing the bar, and keep springs or tiny clips in your parts tray. To finish, reinstall the bumper bar, seat its spring and pivot pin, and reconnect any ribbon cable in the exact orientation you noted. Once reassembled loosely, press the bumper to test free actuation and electrical response. This confirms alignment before you close the shell. If you're happy, snug the 5 screws back in and reinstall the battery. If the bumper sticks or doesn't register, open it. Clean contact pads with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.